In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Google Sheets. We'll build a simple, clickable list you can use for personal tasks, schoolwork, or team projects, and I'll walk you through each action so you feel confident repeating it any time. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, click the small grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. This opens a panel of Google tools. Choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. When the Sheets Start page appears, select Blank to create a fresh spreadsheet. Starting with a blank file keeps everything clean and easy to follow. Now enter your checklist items. In cell A1, type a clear header like Task so the column is labeled. Beneath that, list your items. For example, buy groceries in A2, finish report in A3, and exercise in A4. Add as many rows as you need. A labeled header makes your list easier to scan and keeps things organized if you ever sort or expand it later. Next, let's add the actual checkboxes. Decide where you want the boxes to live. Most people place them in a column beside the tasks, so each item has its own box. Click and drag to highlight the cells where you want those boxes to appear. If your tasks run from row 2 to row 4, make sure you select the same number of cells so everything lines up neatly. With those cells highlighted, go to the top menu, click Insert, and then select Checkbox. Instantly, every selected cell becomes a clickable box. Go ahead and click a box to mark a task complete, and click again to clear it. Behind the scenes, each box has a value that toggles between checked and unchecked, which can be useful in formulas if you get more advanced later. For a straightforward checklist, simply clicking is all you need. Keep the header row for labels only, so the first checkbox appears next to your first real task, not in the title. If you ever insert a box in the wrong spot, use Undo, reselect the correct cells, and insert the checkbox again. When you add more tasks in the future, just type the new items, highlight the matching cells next to them, choose Insert, and select Checkbox again. Your changes save automatically as you go, and that's it. You've created a functional checklist in Google Sheets with clear labels and clickable boxes beside each task. Use it daily, update it as priorities shift, and enjoy checking items off as you make progress.